There is a leak problem below this air conditioning unit. It's been leaking for some time. Possible issues are, number one, too many pipes running through one decktight. And I can actually open this up to show that water can easily be running down through into the inside of the roof. Also, water can run down between the pipes and get down inside the decktight. Oh, and look at that, there's a big hole right there. Options are to reseal those two decktites. Another potential problem is these chocks that hold up the air conditioning unit are treated pine, and that they can be a problem in that they burn through the zinc aluminum. If you look at this one, there are signs of rust that have been coming out there. If we move it, as you can see there, it's rusty and there's a hole under there. The option to fix this one would be to provide a what we call a hopper flashing, a cover that covers from here to here, run it all the way up to the ridge. That's the cheapest option. The other option is to replace the sheets themselves.